This isn't a baking video, but I thought I'd just run this by you guys. It's something that I do if I'm in a bit of a hurry and I just want to have something to dinner. It's my own version of peri peri chicken. So basically what we have is, this is muscovado sugar. You can use any sugar, you don't have to use that, but I just found that the treacly brown sugar makes it nice and sticky as well. And if you don't want to use sugar, you don't have to. It is entirely up to you. I just found that it adds to the flavor as well. We have crushed garlic, water, lemon juice. You can use freshly squeezed lemon juice. I just thought I'd quickly just do this video quickly, so I'm just using pre-squeezed lemon juice. This is our own spice that we get. It's a peri peri spice, so it's not a sauce or a oil or anything. It's an actual spice that I use, and then I use the paprika as well. That gives it a nice smoky flavor, and then some coarse salt that I'll grind, and then this is our tomato sauce. It's an all gold tomato sauce. It's the only tomato sauce that I will use for this, because the red color tomato sauce doesn't do the job the same. So I'm not sure wherever you are what tomato sauce you use, but this is a very dark red tomato sauce. So it's almost like a tomato puree, but it's not as tart and as acidy as a tomato puree. So this is the all gold tomato sauce that we use. And then obviously I use the chicken with the skin on, because this is what is the best part of this peri peri chicken, is you put it in the oven on a medium to low. So normally I put it in at about 170, 175, 180, round about there. But it stays in for about an hour to an hour and a half. And it might sound awful, but you actually wait until the skin on the chicken has gone black. Now obviously not charcoal black, but it's gone black. And that is the flavor of this whole dish, is actually the chicken skin. So don't try, or you can if you want to, but if you want it the same as what I get it, you need to leave the skin on. So here we go. I'm going to literally mix all the ingredients into my shaker, give it a shake, pour it over, and stick it in the oven. So as I go along, I will put up what the quantities are. I wing it. I normally just use, that's why I've got 4 of these teaspoons, because basically I just wing it with how much, but I'll roughly put down what I thought I put in. And I will also put the recipe in the description at the bottom. So here we go. You can see they set out nicely, making sure that all the skin is facing the top, because like I said, that's the best part of this meal. Give my hands a wash because I've been dealing with raw chicken. And now I can put all the ingredients into my shaker. Right, so it's about, I normally fill this a half to 2/3 full of the tomato sauce. You can see it's a thick tomato sauce. It's not a runny, not too sure if I can say, but like not too runny McDonald's type tomato sauce. That won't work. Like I said, you could even make a mixture of your own. If you make homemade tomato sauce, that would be fine, as long as it's not your tomato puree that's very tart and acidy. Right, so now also a couple of squirts of lemon juice. I don't know, maybe 60 mils of lemon juice. You can see, I think you can see where the lemon juice is. So it's maybe about 60 mils, 80 mils. Then ooh, my oven just blew. Okay, so that is about a half a teaspoon of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, and I put in 2 teaspoons of peri peri powder because we like it nice and hot, and a few quite a few grinds of coarse salt, and then also maybe about 60 to 100 mils of water. Give them a good shake up. And there we go. So that will now go into the oven, and you'll see it will evaporate a lot, and then your chicken will look very dark, skin almost black, and beautiful sauce. So that's my peri peri chicken. Thanks so much for watching right to the end. If you'd like to subscribe and like this video, it would be great and I would really appreciate it. If you would like to be notified when I upload a new video, you just have to click on the bell icon and it will send you a notification. If you have any comments or suggestions or anything that you just want to add, you are quite welcome to pop it in the comment section below. So other than that, I think that's everything. And until next time, have a great one.